Changing or customizing your iPhone 16 wallpaper allows you to personalize your device, reflecting your unique style and interests. It can also enhance your mood and create a more enjoyable user experience. It's a simple process that can completely change the look and feel of your device. Let's get started. First, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon to launch the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll to find and tap on Wallpaper. Here, we'll see your current wallpaper. To choose a new one, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Now you'll see a selection of built-in wallpapers. Scroll through and find the one you like. Then tap on it to select it. You can further customize your wallpaper for either the lock screen or home screen in the succeeding menu. You can add widgets, switch the appearance between light or dark, and turn the depth effect on or off. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, tap on Add in the upper right corner. If prompted, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Otherwise, tap on Customize Home Screen. You can also access and manage the wallpaper settings on your iPhone 16 straight from the lock screen. Simply press and hold on the lock screen without unlocking it, and then tap on Customize. By then, you can choose to customize either the lock screen or home screen wallpaper of your device. And that's it. Your iPhone wallpaper is now updated with your new selection. You can repeat these steps whenever you want to change the current wallpaper on your iPhone 16. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more relevant content. Thanks for watching.